Welcome back to Vandemic Campervans. I'm Rick. We're here with our latest build. This happens to be for sale. It's a beautiful deep cherry red. It's a 159 Highroof Promaster. Can't wait to show you. Stepping into this beautiful kitchen, our Bahni Layout is in full display. You have a nice overhead kitchen cabinet, paper towel holder, 2 built-in spice racks, and a nice dividing ledge. Above the sink is your water pump switch with an accumulator to provide a home-like flow of water. The pull-down faucet is a great touch for van life. And this other button is the release for the 10-gallon undermount gray water tank. The 4-foot kitchen base is equipped with a 2-burner propane stove. Underneath the stove is a huge cutlery drawer, and below that is an isotherm 85 fridge, which provides 3 cubic feet of storage space. Under the sink you have a lot of storage, along with the on and off switch to the 12-volt water heater, the Blue Technologies water filter, and the propane storage cubbies. With both front seats on swivels, the passenger side creates the best seat in the house in my opinion. With a flip up, you get a standing desk with the best view in the house. The face of the closet has the inverter controller and the battery monitor, and the closet itself has a nice hang bar with deep additional storage for all of your hanging clothes. The living room has a nice large AMA slider window with the screen and is accompanied by some beautiful pull-down blackout shades. Above the couch are 3 overhead cabinets with beautiful leather pulls which provide lots of additional storage. Under the couch are 4 more drawers and also a separate spot for your toilet. The bedroom is equipped with a short queen mattress. You'll have the remote for the Max Air fan, the thermostat for the S-bar heater, additional light switch, 4 USBs, 2 120 outlets, and then there's always 2 reading lights with multiple settings. The 2 largest overhead cabinets are located in the bedroom. Rounding out the bedroom is our custom Vandemic cubby off the back. Instead of a second max air fan, we actually added a 12-volt Dometic RTX 2000 AC in this build. In the garage area, you've got your water fill for the 36-gallon freshwater tank, the quick connect hot shower, and a viewing area to check the actual water level. In front of the freshwater tank, the 2.5-gallon 12-volt hot water heater sits. The driver's side houses all of the electric, which includes a 3,000 watt Eames inverter, the Victron battery-to-battery and solar charge controller, and 460 amp hours of lead time lithium batteries. Stepping outside, I get to climb up the Flatline Van Co ladder, and their roof rack beautifully houses 400 watts of solar, and you can also see the Dometic AC and max air fan from up here. Rounding out the exterior, we added some all-terrain tires and some running boards to this beautiful van. Thanks for watching all the way through. Do us a favor, give us a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and as I mentioned, this van is for sale. In the comments below and also the description, I'll leave a link to the full listing of this beautiful build. Can't wait to see who takes this home, and if you are interested in a build just like this, we are booking out into January of 2025. They will fill up fast. Make sure you reach out, and I'll talk to you soon.